I found out through a colleague of mine, Dr. Matthias, because we have a very large group practice, and whenever anybody finds an interesting course, they always talk to me and sort of say, Amrik, I'm thinking about doing this, and would you like to come along? And that's precisely what happened. So Dr. Matthias, I think he found out about the course from one of the reps, and then he booked himself on it, and then he said, Amrik, would you like to go? And I said, yes, I'd love to join, because it sounded an interesting course. Number one, it was on a Saturday and a Sunday, so we really didn't have to take too much time out of surgery. Number two, it was small group teaching, so there weren't a lot of us. There were maybe 5 or 6 of us in total, from what I remember. The course was a mixture of hands-on as well as group teaching, and because it was a small group, Dr. Meyer was able to tailor it to suit the individuals that were on the course. So he'd gone around the class asking what sort of things different people had done, and what is it they wish to learn during the course, and particularly on the hands-on. And he was able to help everybody with the hands-on and make suggestions during the course, and that was very, very helpful, especially with the external sinus lifts, the internal sinus lifts, the ridge splitting, flap designs, etc., etc. It was very good. After completing the course, I recommended it to my 2 sons, who are both dentists, and indeed I got them on the very next course. I was that impressed with it, so and I keep recommending it even now, because it's catered to the individual. So even though my sons hadn't got a lot of experience in surgical dentistry, the course was catered to their needs at a basic level, as well as to the needs of people that were doing the course at a far more advanced level. But it was excellent. I'd recommend it because it's more hands-on, it's very informative, and it's tailored to the individual. You can go from a basic understanding to a high-level understanding, dependent on your needs. My children, when they went along, my 2 sons, they hadn't got much surgical experience, so Dr. Meyer catered the course for them. Whereas when myself and Dr. Matthias went along, we'd done lots of implants, we'd done lots of surgicals, so the course was catered in a different manner for us.